All right, slow down. Slow down. Jesus Christ! Are you serious?
Nobody wanna see us together, but it don't matter, no, cause I got you.
What's up? Ew, why don't I just do this? Okay guys, so today we are doing another bake with us. We haven't done it in forever. This is personally our favorite videos because we think they're fun.
This is my new rat.
We're making
Cloud bread.
off TikTok. So we're gonna make the mixture right now. And then we're gonna put it in the oven after the pizza is done.
Are you spending the night again?
Yeah.
Are you?
Yeah.
Does it have to pay rent?
No.
We only make 2 cents off these, so they're not
There you-
boxers.
Your joggins?
No.
Have you ever been snaked by a friend and just for the clout they'll do it again? Got the timeline popping again.
She's just a girl and she's on fire.
Have you ever been snaked by a friend and just for the clout they'll do it again? Got the timeline popping again.
So like yeah, just like a little bit dope. Sorry, dog. Almond extract. What? Love, 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 my love.
Love, 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 by love. No, what are you doing?
Have you ever been snaked by a friend and just for the clout they'll...
大体こういう人は受けです。
Black, white, green or blue, show off your magic cue. Flamingo, uh-oh.
You're mad. I'm back. Big mad. She's mad. He's mad. Big mad.
It's like this. Yeah. It's like shaving cream.
Looks like slime.
Have you ever been snaked by a friend and just for the clout they'll do it again? Got the timeline popping again.
We're testing it to see if it's good or not.
Have you ever been snaked by a friend and just for the clout they'll do it again? Got the timeline popping again.
Brain.
Ew, it's not even cool, bro.
It's not even funny. Well, I guess that's a wrap. So, whoever likes to subscribe next, we'll send this to your house. Peace out.
I'm just down.
Peace out.